So let's continue in the hard part. So the question in the hard is, the ends of the diameter of a circle are the points A is equal to -5 and 3 and B is equal to 3 and 1. So what is the equation of this circle? So mauni siya ang forma. And we will find the diameter with the help of the distance formula. To find the radius, we will divide the diameter into half. Furthermore, if we find the midpoint of the AB line, what will be the center of the circle? So we will use the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of the center of the circle. So let's proceed. Finding the diameter. So ang A nato kay -5. Sorry guys, but -5 na siya and 3. So ang B nato is 3 and 1. So niana man to nga in finding the diameter, we will use the distance formula. So mao ni ang formula sa distance. Square root of parenthesis y2 minus y1 to the power of 2 plus x2 minus x1 to the power of 2. So ato ang next is d is equal to, so atong y2 is ang 1 na diri sa kilid ang kuan. Y1 is 3, y2 is 1, and x1 is -5, x2 is 3. So ato ang insert sila. So d square root of 1 minus 3 squared plus 3 minus -5 squared. So ato ang kuan ang naa sa parentheses atong unahon og solve. So d is equal to -2. 1 minus 3 is -2 squared plus 3 plus 5. So diri negative man siya, so negative plus negative is positive. So d minus square root of -2 squared, 3 plus 5 is 8 squared, and d is equal to 4 plus 64. -2 squared is +4. 8 squared is 64. So d nato is equal to 68. And ato ang square root of 68, I mean. So d is 2 square root of 17. Atong mao na atong distance formula. So radius is equal to diameter over 2. So r2 square root of 17 over 2 is equal to sa square root of 17. So gi-divide na to siya og 2. So in the midpoint formula, mao ni ang formula, x1 plus x2 over 2 y1 plus y2 over 2. So y1 is 3, y2 is 1, and x1 is -5, x2 is 3. Since the midpoint is the center of the circle, therefore we will declare midpoint as the center of the circle. So ato mao ni atong formula, c is equal to -5 plus over 2 and 3 plus 1 over 2. So c is -2 over 2 and 4 over 2. 5 minus -5 plus 3 is -2. Then next is c is equal to -1 and 2. So -2 over 2 is -1. 2 over 2, 4 over 2 is 2. So c is equal to -1 and 2. So let's plug the value of C and R in the standard equation. So R squared is equal to x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. So C is equal to -1 and 2, and R na 2 is square root of 17. R squared is equal to x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. So atong I squared ato ang i-insert ang value niya. So square root of 17 squared is equal to x minus -1 kay atong a is -1 squared plus y minus 2 squared. Then square root of 17 squared is 17 equal to x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared. So 17 minus x squared plus x squared plus 1 plus y squared minus 4x plus 4. So, basin maglibog mo diri nganong ningdagan ang value. So, ato ana siyang gi times sa pikas. Nahimong x squared kay squared man na siya diha. Then, mo na siya sa pikas pod. So, x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 minus 17 is equal to 0. So, ato ang gibalhin ang 17 gi sa pikas. Mao nang na-equal na siya og 0. So, x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So, then next, so, nasa tayo lain koan nga makakuha ta sa equation para sa general equation sa circle. So, you can also find the equation from the general equation of the circle. So, C is equal to -g and -f. So, ato ang kuan sa C is -1 and 2. Hence, G is equal to 1 and F is equal to -2. Then, R squared is equal to G squared plus F squared. So, ang formula dayani is R minus is equal to square root of G squared plus F squared minus C. So, R squared is equal to G squared plus F squared minus C. So, C is equal to G squared plus F squared minus R squared. So, gibali na to ang R squared sa pikas o gipuli na to ang C kay ato ang pangitaon ang circle man. So, C is equal to 1 squared plus -2 squared minus square root of 17 squared. So, C is 1 plus 4 minus 17. C is equal to -12. So, let's plug the value of G, F, and C in the general equation. So, x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 1x plus 2 times -2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, that's all for today, and I hope you've learned something about what I've discussed. So, before ending my discussion, so wala pa di ko naka-confirm nga sakto ba to ang pag-last. So, sakto man siya na. Let's have the last part. X squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So, pareha ra diri og result sa last. X squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, pareha ra siya, sakto ra siya. Thank you for listening and God bless us all.